I'm going to show you the things that you can do to improve the conversions across the board with your marketing, including running paid ads, by upgrading and updating your website. Hey guys, Matt here from Tradie Web Guys, and today I'm going to show you a case study of a website that we are about to launch. It's not live yet, but it will be shortly. This client came to us. They are a brick and block laying company on the Gold Coast of Australia, and they were after leads. So yes, we are running ads for them currently. However, in the interest of conversions, and this is something that I would ask you to consider at your own end if you are running ads, when traffic inevitably lands on either the landing page that you are running the ads to, which is what we're actually doing for this client. However, in the greater interest of search and in that ecosystem, we know fully well that people are going to be heading back to that website to back up their claim. Show me, don't tell me. So the things that you guys need to be considering when you're, building out your website, and if you are running ads, that's great. But, when people get to your website, do they know what you do, where you do it, who you do it for, and sometimes how you do it? If you communicate those things through your website, then you're going to have a much higher conversion through all of your marketing. So I'm just going to run you through really quickly. This company is like their current website. So this is it right here. So this is the client's existing website. And look, it's a means to an end for them. It was just something that they could have up. It's kind of like a digital business card, which is fine again, but now they're sort of in that market where they're they're at that stage, I should say, where they're looking to market, generate their leads, generate traffic and sort of grow and scale. Then this really wasn't going to cut it. This is just a very simple sort of one-page splash page, and not a very good one at that. So what we've done here is we've updated this website, and you can see right from the beginning, we've got the message super clear with an opt-in form there, which we test different things on the opt-in forms looking forward. But the point is, there's a way that people can get in contact. All the pages have been split out, services living on different pages, and all of these services have been optimized according to keywords that have been researched so that it does stand a chance of showing up in search. So all of these pages have been built accordingly. There's a project gallery to showcase jobs, where they are, contact pages, and all this kind of stuff as well, right? Now, as we scroll down, you'll see there's nice photos on the website of different projects that they've done. They've got some nice different links to different the service pages down here with relevant images. And there's a thing here on their processes. And some of these things, these nice features are cool. They're straight out of the platform these days with these modern builders. Like, they're very easy for you to obtain just by having a nice website upgrade. And they absolutely, especially for this client, when we were comparing him against his competition, like, it was such a low bar. So like having a nice, crisp, clean website just immediately puts him heads and shoulders above his competition. And then conceptually, what happens when you are running ads, as I mentioned before, you are steering traffic, perhaps not necessarily to this asset, which we are not at the moment. We're running them to landing pages, but inevitably we will probably try testing some ads to this to see if it converts and see what the conversions are like. But again, you want to be able to come to this place here and showcase the work. This is a prime example of how you can really start telling your story through your website so that people know, like, and trust you, and you can do part of the selling before they've even picked up the phone and contacted you. So anyway, I hope that was useful for you guys. If you want to have a conversation around how this might look for your business, head across to tradiewebguys.com.au. Links down below. Ciao. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that episode. Please, while you're here, subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Now listen, if you are a trade-based business and you work in projects, roofing, bathrooms, kitchen renovations, home renovations, solar installations, that kind of thing, we would love to be able to showcase you as our next success case. Insane return on ad spend over here. We're talking 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 13,000% return on ad spend week in, week out with some of our clients. And we would love to put you in that picture. So please head across to tradie.wiki/YT for YouTube. Tradie.wiki/YT for YouTube. I look forward to chatting to you soon. Enjoy the next episode, and thank you for all your support.